is this image? What is this image? I'll tell you, it is an esophagogram. Okay? They usually tell you that this is a dye given in the esophagus. So it's not an aneurysm. Yeah, so it is barium swallow. What do you think? What do you see here? This outpouching. This is the Zenker's diverticulum. Okay. Now the question was, what nerve is involved? If there is dysphagia in a person who has a Zenker's diverticulum, what nerve is responsible for the symptom? Here are your options. Let me know your answers quickly. Yeah, vagus. Correct. All right. So here, what is the triad of Zenker's diverticulum? You have three most common symptoms that are associated with Zenker's diverticulum. So dysphagia, regurgitation, and halitosis. Whenever you get this triad, think of Zenker's as a possible cause, okay, especially in older age group people. So this patient had dysphagia, and then he was also, his more recent complaints were weight loss. And what is the nerve involved? So basically you have an inferior constrictor and superior constrictor, right? So this is the Killian's dehiscence, as you perfectly mentioned earlier, right? So there is an outpouching of the pharyngeal and esophageal outpouching through the mucosa. Is a Zenker's diverticulum a true diverticulum or a false diverticulum? It is a false diverticulum, right? Because it does not include all of the layers. It just includes some of the layers. And basically you have a weakness between your inferior pharyngeal constrictor and the cricopharyngeus. So there's outpouching, and all of the three pharyngeal constrictor muscles, they're innervated by your vagus nerve, right? So this is your cricopharyngeus, and then you have this outpouching, that is your Zenker's diverticulum. Okay, and just know this, that vagus nerve involves it innervates all of the muscles of the constrictor. So superior, middle, and inferior constrictor, all of the constrictor muscles are innervated by branches of vagus nerve, and it leads to the symptoms. Okay, and it is a pseudo diverticulum. It's not a true diverticulum. So think of cough, halitosis, regurgitation, okay, dysphagia in a patient of Zenker's.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.